Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and iCloud sign-in. This authorizes sync across devices. Once done, make sure you're on Wi-Fi and have at least 2 GB free so uploads don't stall. Now go to Settings, tap Photos, and enable iCloud Photos. Choose Optimize iPhone storage if you need space, or download originals to keep full files locally. This first step creates the cloud library, so your device will begin uploading photos and videos right away. Once uploads begin, check the Photos app to watch progress. You'll see status indicators in Library or at the bottom of the screen. If you need uploads while away from Wi-Fi, enable Use Cellular Data in Settings Photos. Be mindful of data caps. Make albums, delete duplicates, and edit images on your iPhone. iCloud syncs those changes to your other devices so organization remains consistent. If you pause, the system resumes when connected to power and Wi-Fi, which prevents battery drain. To finish, confirm that new and edited photos appear on a Mac, iPad, or iCloud. This proves the sync completed. If syncing stops because storage is full, either upgrade to an iCloud Plus plan or switch to optimized storage to keep device space available. If you see missing items, restart the iPhone, then toggle iCloud Photos off and on to force a resync. Wait on Wi-Fi and power. This simple troubleshooting step resolves most stuck uploads or missing photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.